Hello everyone, this is Faizan. Today we are going to talk about the Kashmir and its beauty. And after talking about Kashmir, will visit a beautiful place in Kashmir, that is Dachigam. And talking about the Kashmir, have you ever heard from your elders or your friends or your family, maybe anywhere, that Kashmir is called the heaven? Let me say you the friends that it's called heaven because it's really beautiful. And the important thing is that no one can compete with our Kashmir. That's why they say that barru e zameen ast hami ast. Don't be sad. I will translate it. Its translation is, if heaven is present anywhere in this world, it is here, it is here, it is here. By this, he had justified the splendor of the Kashmir in a good and in a beautiful way. And one of the point is that this valley, the Kashmir Valley, is the world's biggest valley in this elevation. And the second point, and yeah, the important thing is that we Kashmiri people, we are the world's most richest, the lucky people. What the Almighty provided us. So I want you people to visit Kashmir, and that's why they say that. That's why the best verse, there's the "Sair kar duniya ki gafil, zindagani fir kahan, sair kar duniya ki gafil, zindagani fir kahan, zindagani reh bhi gayi to ye naujawani ka." I will also translate it in the English language. Its translation is, it's the time for you to traveling.